All right, can you see the second page now? All right. All right, sorry about that, everyone. This should be fixed now. So this is your routine briefing from today through December 2nd, next Thursday. So again, a happy belated Thanksgiving to everyone. We did have a cold front that moved through overnight last night. Some chilly temperatures have filtered in across the area. Highs this afternoon are going to be in the upper 40s to the middle 50s from northwest to southeast. That cold front has pushed well off to our east, and lots of sunshine for the rest of today. Lots of sunshine for the rest of today. And we did have measurable precipitation that occurred, anywhere from a couple hundredths of an inch over the triad up to about a tenth of an inch, maybe 15 hundredths of an inch over the triangle, and maybe a tenth to 2/10 over the sandhills and portions of the southern coastal plain. But really, this isn't going to do much of a dent in terms of the increasing drought conditions across central North Carolina. With the increased winds this afternoon, behind that cold front, we'll see northwest winds gusting up to 25 miles per hour at times, roughly between about now and 6 o'clock this evening. Temperatures will be in the 40s, upper 40s, and low to mid 50s. The humidity with the very dry air in place will be around 30%. So it's going to be pretty dry out there this afternoon. So that coupled with the gusty northwest winds and also the increasing drought conditions across the area has led us to put out an increased fire danger for this afternoon and early this evening. So just a precaution that outdoor burning is discouraged for today, and fires can quickly become uncontrollable. Looking into our upcoming weather pattern, we're going to have sunny skies and below normal weather for our Friday today, and actually for Saturday as well. That's pretty much behind the cold front that moved through today. Highs the next couple days, upper 40s to middle 50s. We'll see high pressure building in late Saturday and Sunday. Highs on Sunday should rebound, upper 50s to some lower 60s. So overall, a really nice holiday weekend. Another cold front moves through late Sunday. That will drop our high temperatures back early next week on Monday, back to a little bit below normal, upper 40s to middle 50s, similar to what we are experiencing today. And then pretty much from Tuesday through Thursday, we're seeing a gradual warming trend toward above average weather. High pressure will be over the southeastern United States, and we'll see highs well into the 60s. So given that overall forecast, we're not expecting any precipitation. The rain showers we had earlier this morning is pretty much the only rain that we're going to see through the next 7 days. Perhaps there's a chance for some rain late next weekend. There's some hints in the guidance there could be a system, but right now it's looking very like a very small chance at this point. So overall, we're not going to see any potential improvement in our current drought conditions. This is our latest Drought Monitor that was released Wednesday of this week on the 24th of November. Some changes that we noted from the last update is that the moderate drought, or D1, and the normally dry, the D0, which is in the yellow, has expanded across the state and especially central North Carolina. Um, Today's rainfall is not included in this graphic, but it's unlikely to really change things given that we're going to see a dry weekend, and for the most of the week next week it's going to be dry as well. So I would expect this to remain the same or slightly become a little bit more worse as the week goes on. Given that we're not expecting any precipitation, you probably would have already guessed. We're not seeing any threat of any severe thunderstorms over the next several days. And I didn't show the earlier graphic we had from the previous post from the last weekly briefing, but there are no tropical cyclones expected as well. All right, let's go into sort of like a longer term outlook. This is our 8 to 14 day outlook, courtesy of the Climate Prediction Center, but kind of centered over the southeastern part of the United States, over our area. On the left is our temperature outlook, and on the right is the precipitation outlook. Pretty much we're going to see near normal conditions over this time range. That's not going to bode well for our precipitation deficit across the area. We could really use some rain, but it looks like that pattern is this dry pattern is going to be in place for at least the next week or so. All right, let's sum it all up. So the only hazards and impacts we have are going to be today. As I mentioned before, there is an increased fire danger from today through about 6 p.m. Any outdoor burning is discouraged with those gusty northwest winds at times up to 25 miles an hour. Otherwise, it's going to be relatively quiet for the rest of the period. So we'll see the chilly and breezy today with highs upper 40s to middle 50s, and chilly again on Saturday, but warming up briefly Sunday. And then we'll see back to below normal weather on Monday, followed by a warming trend mid to late week with highs Thursday in the mid to upper 60s. That is all I have for this weekly briefing. Thank you